Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 142. 142. This was the 20th of January 2023. This was a Friday. So on Friday, January 20th, 2023, I started the day off with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill. That included a 5-minute jog. I had a virtual appointment with a doctor. I attended a power training and then had a power appointment customer call afterwards. I worked on Remote Wellness Academy and I did books, managing my book business. So that was pretty much it for day 142. The gratitude of the day is for my virtual assistants. So my virtual assistants have been really doing an outstanding job. All the success that I've had ties into the virtual assistants, their selflessness, their attention to detail, their hard work. One is actually we're trying to get back to where we were before, our glory days, as we call them. We're trying to get back to where we were, and one of them is actually working for free because they want to get back to where they were. They want to have their job back, but more importantly, they're willing to sacrifice. And I'm grateful for that because, when they succeed, I succeed. So I want them to succeed. And I'm grateful that they understand and they see the big picture and they see the vision that I'm trying to create. So I'm very grateful for that. That's the gratitude that I'm sending out into the universe. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.